Consider the following statement. Statement I. Gross national product will always be more than the GDP. Statement 2. To get GNP, net factor income from abroad is added to GDP. Find the correct answer. Both statements are individually true and statement 2 is the correct explanation of statement I. Both the statements are individually true, but statement 2 is not correct explanation of statement I. Statement I is true, but statement 2 is false. Statement I is false, but statement 2 is true. Explanation. The correct option is D. Statement I is false, but statement 2 is true. Gross domestic product, GDP, measures the value of goods and services produced within the geographical boundaries of a country. Gross national product, GNP, measures the value of goods and services produced by the residents of a country, regardless of their location. The relationship is given by GNP is equal to GDP plus net factor income from abroad, NFIA. NFIA is the difference between the income earned by a country's residents from economic activities abroad and the income earned by foreign